And I won't slay. There's a fire, but no fire brigade.
Hey guys, I just got back from work and now I'm getting ready to go to the park. It's gonna be his first time and you would swear we're taking him to get murdered the way this dog acts whenever you put a leash on him. It's ridiculous. Anyways, I'll catch up with you guys when I get to the park.
WEZV HD New Orleans, B97.
It's alright walking around this old and empty house.
So hold my hand, I'll walk with you, my dear.
The stars creak as you sleep is keeping me awake.
It's the house telling you to close your eyes.
Some days I can't even trust myself.
It's killing to see you this way. 'Cause though the truth may not be this, ship will carry out all these different
So, we are going to do pink and magenta. Hopefully this turns out good. Good afternoon, guys. As you can see from the clips that I inserted before this, it turned out wonderful. I love it. We kept the purple roots, and then we went in with some magenta and pink, and underneath we kept some of the purple and mixed it with some magenta just to kind of give it some dimension. But I love it. Nice and pink. Yeah. And just in case anyone's wondering, my purple was done by Larita, a stylist at Advanced Salon and Spa where I work. Phenomenal. And then the pink was done by Christina, who also works at Advanced Salon and Spa. So if any of you are on the West Bank and want to get your hair done like this, definitely suggest you coming to do it because they are amazing. But yeah, now I have to go and figure out financial aid for college. It never ends. It never ends with financial aid. So I'll catch up with you guys whenever I get done with that stuff. Bye. No, you can't. My Fruity Pebbles. I just found out horrible news. So I just got back from financial aid, right, at school. And guess what? Guess what, guys? Louisiana just cut off all tops throughout the state. That is ridiculous. How do you cut off the funding of your entire state and the people who are technically going to represent the future of this state. All of their tuition is now gone. No more, because we're too poor to afford college for students. Really? We could cut off so many other things in Louisiana right now that we technically don't need to be giving out free money for. And I'm sure everybody knows what I'm talking about. But yeah, so now we have no tops. So no more free college in Louisiana, guys. Nope, no more. Everyone better hope Bernie Sanders wins so that we can all get our free college back. That's all I'm gonna say. Yeah, thought I'd share that with you real quick. I'm gonna go back to eating my fried puppies now.